you ever wondered why? If you guard your cheese so jealously and work from sunup to sundown to accumulate it, every day your pantry seems emptier. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful village called Áurea, where the villagers believed that the highest virtue was hiding their harvests under the mattress. But they were ignorant of a dark magic that acted while they slept. Since we were little, in the village of Áurea and in our own world, we've been told the same lie. Work hard, keep your coins in a chest, and you'll be safe. That's how the farmer Elias lived, an honest man who sweated in the fields looking for financial peace of mind. But something macabre was happening. Every morning, upon opening his trunk, a crumb was missing from his large block of cheese. Why, if you work harder than ever, does your money buy less? Why does your savings chest seem to evaporate like water in the sun? It sounds like witchcraft, but it's simply a rule of the financial game that the kings of this world don't want you to learn. But true mastery, the kind that builds invincible fortresses, lies in an ancient secret. The legendary money strategist, the wise Ray Dalio, once proclaimed a truth that shook the kingdom's foundations. Cash is trash. Today, we are going to break the spell of scarcity. You see, the vast majority of the village are like frightened guards. They protect a block of ice in the middle of summer, believing it will last forever. But the free man is like the wise farmer. He learns to transform that ice into seeds that grow on their own, giving him peace and wealth while he rests. If you believe that the only path to wealth is sacrificing your health by working twice as hard, this tale is going to shatter your reality. But if you are ready to understand the difference between being a slave to the clock and the king of your own time, stay until the very last second. You will learn to master the game. In the village, the king decreed that to pay his war debts, the royal wizards had to draw more paper gold. Suddenly, there were twice as many coins in the village, but the same amount of cows and wheat. Elias, frustrated, visited the town's old shoemaker.
"Tell me, wise Mateo,"
asked Elias, holding his nibbled cheese.
"why do I have less every day if no one has touched my locked trunk?"
Mateo smiled sadly.
Oh, Elias, they aren't flesh and bone thieves. When the king prints more magical scrolls, the value of yours is diluted. Those invisible mice are called inflation. They silently devour the power of your labor. Your cheese doesn't get smaller. It's just that the world now demands more cheese to survive.
In real life, central banks constantly print money. If you leave your savings paralyzed in the bank, the inflation mouse devours your purchasing power. Your money is worth less every year. Saving without a purpose isn't security. It's a slow condemnation to poverty. Elias understood. He couldn't win the battle simply by saving. He had to change his strategy. One day, instead of hiding his portion of cheese, he bought a small cow. His neighbors mocked him.
"You're crazy, Elias!"
A villager shouted at him.
"The cheese in the trunk is safe. The cow can get sick."
Elias replied,
The cheese in the trunk is a corpse waiting to rot. My cow, on the other hand, gives milk, and milk turns into more cheese.
To defeat the invisible thief, you must transform your fiat money into real assets, things that produce value, stocks in good companies, the stock market, real estate, or your own businesses. While paper money loses value, real assets tend to go up in price, and, best of all, they generate dividends. They generate new milk. Winters and springs passed. Elias didn't eat all the new cheese his cows produced. He took a portion and bought more cows. The new cows gave more milk, and with that milk, he bought even more livestock. One day, the shoemaker Mateo passed by his farm, marveling at the sight of green meadows full of animals.
You have discovered the kingdom's most powerful magic, my boy,
Mateo said.
You have summoned the golden snowball.
This is compound interest. It's when the money you earn makes you more money, and those new earnings generate even more earnings. You don't need to start with 1,000,000 gold coins. You just need to invest consistently and let time do the heavy lifting for you. It's the only way to decouple your time from your income and reclaim your freedom. He who masters these secrets rules his destiny. Remember Elias's treasure map. 1. Recognize the invisible mice. Understand that inflation destroys paralyzed money. Saving in cash long-term is a guaranteed loss. 2. Forge your shield. Stop hoarding paper and start acquiring living land. Buy productive assets, index funds, businesses. 3. Plant the infinite tree. Use compound interest to your advantage. Don't eat the seed of your abundance in instant gratification and blind consumerism. Reinvest and let time build your empire. Elias stopped being a simple farmer worried about surviving the winter to become the master of his own peace. He no longer worked out of obligation, but by choice. And you have the exact same power in your hands. The system is designed for you to be the cicada that consumes and spends. But today, you have the knowledge to be the wise farmer. If you are ready to stop guarding blocks of ice and start planting your seeds of wealth today, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell. Your journey to financial freedom has just begun. But before you go, I want you to look at your own pantry. Write in the comments, what is that cheese or savings that you have stagnating right now, losing value? And into what, cow or investment, are you thinking of transforming it? I will read and reply to the future masters of their own kingdoms in the comments. Go ahead and share your strategy.
If you are listening to these last words, congratulations. Only 5% of the people in our enormous global village make it this far and take real control of their future. You are part of an awakened minority. Stay strong, invest wisely, and see you in the next story.